Hey carnivores, welcome back to the channel where we explore delicious, nutrient-dense meals that are 100% carnivore compliant. If you're following the carnivore diet and love to eat one big satisfying meal a day, I've got the perfect 3-course, 2,000-calorie feast for you today. This meal is packed with healthy fats and protein, featuring an egg drop soup to start, a crispy air-fried salmon fillet with a rich butter sauce for the main course, and crispy pan-fried pork belly strips to finish it all off. Let's jump right into the recipe. We're going to kick things off with a simple but delicious appetizer, carnivore-friendly egg drop soup. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of beef bone broth, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Let's start by bringing our beef bone broth to a simmer in a small pot. Now, while that's heating, we'll whisk the eggs in a bowl. Once the broth is gently simmering, slowly pour in the whisked eggs while stirring continuously. This creates those beautiful ribbons of egg. Add your tablespoon of heavy cream to make it extra rich and creamy. And that's it. Our appetizer is ready. The bone broth adds nutrients, while the eggs and cream provide a smooth, velvety texture. Next, we move on to our main entree, an air-fried salmon fillet topped with a luscious butter sauce. Here's what you'll need: a 12-ounce salmon fillet or 2 6-ounce fillets, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. We're going to pop this salmon fillet into the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 204 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes or until thoroughly cooked. This method gives the salmon a beautiful, firm surface while keeping the inside moist and tender. Now, while that's cooking, let's make our butter sauce. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of melted butter with 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Give it a quick stir to blend them together, and you've got a smooth, creamy sauce that's perfect for topping our crispy salmon. The butter adds richness, while the sour cream gives it a subtle tang that pairs beautifully with the salmon's natural flavor. Our salmon fillet is ready. Crispy on the outside, tender and flaky on the inside. Let's drizzle that delicious butter and sour cream sauce over the top. Look at that shine. This main course is packed with healthy omega-3s from the salmon and rich fats from the butter. It's going to be absolutely delicious. To round out this 3-course carnivore meal, we're finishing with crispy pork belly strips. These are going to be the perfect crunchy, savory end to our meal. All we'll need is a 10-ounce slab of pork belly. Slice the slab into 1/4-inch or 6mm thick strips. In a hot pan, we're going to fry these pork belly strips until they're golden and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. You'll hear that satisfying sizzle as the fat renders out, leaving you with perfectly crisp pork belly that's just bursting with flavor. This final course gives us the perfect texture contrast, crispy and crunchy, alongside the tender salmon and creamy soup. And there you have it, a delicious, satisfying, 3-course carnivore meal that hits the 2,000-calorie mark. It's nutrient-dense and packed with healthy fats and protein to satisfy your appetite and fuel your body. This meal is perfect for those of you who follow the carnivore diet and prefer eating just one large meal a day. If you loved this recipe or found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, ring the notifications bell, and hit that subscribe button for more carnivore meal ideas. Comment below and let me know how this meal turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another carnivore-friendly recipe.